Hey y'all, welcome to Shine Galore, where we design, innovate, and more. I'm so excited that you are here because we're gonna learn how to inflate some text. Hey, yeah. Okay, anyways, I hope you're all having a blessed day. If you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share it to others who may want to learn any Adobe program. I'm the girl that wants you to succeed, okay? Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is create an artboard. We are going to be using the 1080 by 1080 pixel. And make sure it's one artboard, not two. And then we're going to press create. Now grab the text tool. We're going to be using the word kind. Use the selection tool. And then press shift, hold it, and then click and drag. I'm going to duplicate this 4 times, so press Alt, drag, Alt, Alt, drag, and then Alt, drag again. Make sure these are aligned in the middle, so select them all, go to align, and then press horizontal, and then also vertical. Group all of these together by pressing Ctrl G, and then make sure it's in the middle of the artboard by pressing vertical align center. And there we go. Now we're going to lock this layer and then create a new layer. Go to the text tool. I'm going to type in kind again. Use the selection tool. Shift, drag. Boom. We're going to change the color of this. It could be any color. We're going to use blue. Now we're going to change the font. We're going to use Peagle. And this will be in the description below. Right click on the text. We're going to do create outlines. And then right click again and then ungroup. And now we can freely move each letter and place it wherever you would like it to go. Okay, and then you can rotate them. Now we're going to select them all and then press Ctrl G to group them. And now we're going to inflate them. Go to Effect, go to 3D and Materials, and then press Inflate. Object, I really don't change any of the settings. Go to Materials, scroll all the way down. We're going to increase the metallic to 0.4. And then the roughness will be 0.1. Next, go to lighting, toggle the shadows. We're going to change the height of it to at least 60 degrees. And then it should update. Now we're going to render the text. Hopefully my computer doesn't blow up. It usually crashes. Now, let's not get too excited because we do not want to export our image like this. Our artwork must not look like this because the quality is not at its best. What you want to do is toggle on this setting. If you do not do this, the quality of your artwork is going to be pixelated. So go to Effect, go to Document Raster Effect Settings, and change this into high 300 ppi. Make sure it's transparent and leave everything else alone and say OK. This may take a minute, but trust the process. Okay, so now that we have that setting, now we can export it. Go to File, go to Export, Export As, Then we're gonna just say kind tutorial. We are going to use JPEG, press export, and then we are going to use maximum and make sure it's high 300 ppi and then say okay. Now let's check out and see how it turned out. Voila, look how crispy these letters look. They're good in quality. Do y'all see the quality? No pixelation whatsoever. None. None. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.